Hey guys, what's up? It's Julene. Welcome back to my channel. And this is my apartment, so come on in. So this is my living room. I will walk you through like a lot of the pieces in here. So I've lived here for about a month now, and I took a lot of my furniture from my old place in here. It's not done yet, but I want to show you what I have so far. So I actually want to talk about this unit. It's the first thing you see when you walk into the apartment. I found this on Facebook Marketplace, and I had been searching for months for one of these, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. So I drove like 45 minutes away. My sister came with me. Just the two of us. We didn't know how we were gonna lift it. I actually didn't tell her what we were going to get until we were already on the highway. Otherwise, she probably wouldn't have agreed to go with me, but everybody talks about this when they come in. It's my absolute favorite piece of furniture in the house. There's like all this storage up here. Oh wait, I promise you I opened these. I'm just distracted. I've got my boom. I usually keep some extra books in here, but I'm still unpacking. I've got a bunch of pictures. Oh, so this is a picture of me when I went to Greece like 3 years ago. So I don't really know where I want to put that yet, so they're just living here until I figure that out. So this sofa is probably one of my favorite sofas that I've ever had. It's from CB2, and you can go back and watch the video of how I got this sofa for like a fraction of the cost. I think the sofa retails for like almost $2,000, and I got it for like less than half of that. So it was a good steal. So this coffee table here, I actually made this. So I really wanted a space that was good for hosting. I host game nights. I just had one 2 nights ago, I think. And we played some games here. Cards, I've got this like couple game. It's an honest dating game. So whenever, you know, a new guy comes into the picture, this deck comes out so that we can get to know each other. Ain't got no time to waste, okay? Then this one is a card game. Everybody, spades goes down. Man, it was very hot and heated the other night over some spades. There were a lot of back and forth between people. It wasn't that serious, but it was serious to them. Then I've got this do or drink game. Y'all have seen me play this. Embarrassing, I'll just say that. I found this game the other day. It was called You're Getting Old for millennials. So I'm interested to play this because my body is reminding me that I'm getting old, but I will, excuse me. This is a worst case scenario game. I'm always like preparing for the apocalypse. So my sister gave this game to me because she thought I would enjoy it. And then lastly is this taboo game. I am the queen of taboo, so don't even come for me, especially if me and my sister are on a team together, done so. This is something that my guests always talk about when they come over my house, and it's this corkscrew. You take a look here. They just think that's the funniest thing in the world. I know you guys are gonna wanna know where everything is from. So the couch is from CB2. These pillows are from West Elm. You gotta karate chop your pillow. This is from Target. These boucle chairs. I think I got the set for like $600. And then this drink stand is from West Elm. I literally just sit here in the mornings and drink my coffee and look out at the view. I'm super out of breath, if you can't tell. And then Christmas was just a couple days ago, like last week. So I still have my Christmas tree up, but New Year's is in a few days, so I really need to get rid of it. This is my kitchen. I actually do spend a lot of time in here. I cook probably once a day, either lunch or dinner. I like eat out once a day, and then I cook for one meal. Actually twice a day. I always cook breakfast, but then sometimes I'll cook for dinner. But I usually eat out for lunch, which I'm gonna do right after this. Oh, I'm just gonna unplug this for the tour because it looks ugly. But this is my water cooler. I keep it right here, and I hate having to lug up a bunch of water every day, or every week. So this is I don't know what the point of that was. You guys don't care about a water cooler, do you? This is my bookshelf. It is, I think, the story bookcase from Design Within Reach. I'm a book collector. I love to read. Even though I don't really have time to read anymore, I do love it. And I've read a good amount of these, but most of them are books that I plan to read in the future. So this is another piece that people talk a lot about. So yeah. It's a bookshelf, but it's also art. I do like the contrast with the white cabinets and the black countertops. It does have a dishwasher, which is nice. I do hand wash my dishes, but I just dry them in there. I actually got this knife set as a housewarming gift, and I'm obsessed with this knife because it just chops everything. I know I sound like a psycho, but I like this one. I plan to do some changes to the floor. I have some peel and stick tile that I have my eye on, and then I'm probably gonna do something to the backsplash. I might do something to the cabinets. I don't know yet because that's a whole long process to add contact paper to cabinets, and I really don't want to risk messing them up. But I pretty much like the kitchen how it is. I might add something to this wall behind you here, like a coffee bar or some decor. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, that's the kitchen. So this is the hallway. Here is my wine rack. I've been collecting wine bottles, and most of them are red. I do like a mix of white and red, but most of them have been gifted to me, and so I guess my friends like red wine. But I put this little picture light up top to shine down. Again, you see that it's functional art. I like to display them as art, but it's also functional because you can have a glass of wine. Over here is my entryway table. I just got this lamp at Target, I think, and you can see I still have my Christmas decorations up. I do need to take those down. This is one of my favorite boxes. It was gifted to me by a dear friend, and I usually put keys in here. I can put mail in here, but mostly I just put my keys. Or if I'm dog sitting, I'll put like the dog's leash in here. And then here's my laundry room. This is a coat area, so I have to put a curtain up here because ain't nobody got time for this, okay? We don't want to look at that. We don't want to look at that. So I gotta put a curtain up here and cover that. So this wall here, I want it to be an entire gallery wall. So I just want to have all of my collected art displayed on this wall. I actually just ordered my first piece for the wall, so I can't wait until that gets shipped. I've been checking every morning like, is it shipped? Is it shipped? It's not shipped yet, but it will be here soon. And if you guys turn on your notifications, I'll get to show you. So this is where the magic happens. Come on in. This is the magic. I just sit here on my phone. I'm just kidding. Okay, but on a serious note, this is the bathroom. There's nothing special in here. I got my perfumes. I'm probably just gonna put some wallpaper on here and call it a day. And for those who are wondering, do I shower? I do shower. It is behind the door. You just gotta come on in and see it. I've always wanted a secret passageway in my house. I think this is the closest I'm gonna get to it. So, welcome to my bedroom. There's not much in here, as you can see, just literally a bed and a bed frame and a couple pillows. This is probably the most bare room and where I have to do the most work. So, I don't know if you guys have seen color drenching, but I'm really into it. And so I think I want to paint this room like a mauve color and really play into like deep reds, purples, and pinks, and just drench the whole room in those colors. So I'm really excited about that project. And I don't know if I want to do everything from Amazon, everything from IKEA, or just do like a regular one. So, or I could also do everything from Facebook Marketplace. You guys tell me what you want to see for this room makeover. If you want to see an Amazon one or an IKEA one, let me know in the comments. Oh, excuse that, sorry. That's just the candy that I eat to fill the gaping hole in my heart. I do have more things in the closet, but before you guys got here, I just got like a bunch of clothes and all my belongings and just stuffed them in there and closed the door. So I'm not gonna show you that because if we open it, an avalanche will come crashing down. So we're just gonna skip the closet, but there is plenty of closet space. It is a walk-in closet. I really enjoy living here. It's a great building. There's plenty of amenities and all of my neighbors are super friendly. It's nice to have your own space and be able to decorate. I believe that it's really important to decorate your space because your home is an expression of you. It's how you express yourself. It's supposed to be your safe space at the end of the day, and it's your space to begin every day. So your home environment is so important, and it's so important to really pour all of you into it. So take your time to express yourself in your home. And that's it. I think we're all set. So thank you so much for stopping by, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
But you know